School Sports Day is a time for fun, fitness and unforgettable memories. And with the Actif Van, your event can go from great to extraordinary. Our Actif Van hire includes everything you need to take your sports day to the next level. A fully equipped stage for medal ceremonies, lighting to set the mood, and a crystal clear PA system to keep everyone engaged. Need a little extra help? We've got you covered. Add an experienced MC to keep the energy high, plus full event coordination including race organisation tailored to your school's needs. Designed to promote inclusivity, physical literacy and tie in seamlessly with the curriculum for Wales, the Actif Van makes your sports day an event where every child shines. So, why settle for ordinary? Book the Actif Van today and make your sports day a celebration to remember.